Begin with our top story out of Temple. We are following up on a developing story about a homeowner who says his neighbor has been throwing human feces at his vehicles and his house.
The homeowner says he's called police more than 20 times, but officers say their hands are tied. 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson's live now in the studio with why police are responding the way they are and what legal options homeowners have in situations like this.
This ongoing issue shows the challenges both law enforcement and victims face in cases like this. While police work within the constraints of criminal law, attorneys say there are civil remedies that may be more effective. Dylan Martinez provided these photos to police after he says his neighbor came out and began flinging human waste onto his property. But Temple Police Deputy Chief Joe Demento says the department doesn't believe the situation meets the legal definition of harassment.
Although there may have been occurrences where that happened, I don't have evidence to support filing charges against any particular suspect.
Demento says even with photos and video evidence the homeowner has provided, police need clear proof to identify a specific perpetrator.
We've reached out to the property management company for one of the residences to try to remediate some of this. It's all situational.
Attorney Jeffrey Linick says the homeowner shouldn't give up.
I think there might be an argument that throwing feces at a car sends a message, but it's not communication as it's defined in the penal code. It defines the term, so it's basically an electronic communication. So harassment probably wouldn't apply, but it certainly doesn't mean there's no law enforcement action that could be taken.
Nick says victims have civil remedies available.
He could get an injunction against his neighbor to prevent these things. He could sue his neighbor for damages. So a civil remedy may actually be his best option in this case.
An injunction doesn't require police to witness crimes or establish probable cause.
Injunction goes into effect and the neighbor's actions violate that injunction, then he himself can file something to take the neighbor to court, and if the court finds that he violated the injunction, then the court can hold this person in contempt.
Both experts say neighbor harassment cases are becoming increasingly common.
I don't know why there's so many of these out of Temple. It seems to be where we get most of these cases.